Today, we're going to describe something you own that you want to replace. We're going to talk about what it is, where it is, how you got it, and explain why you want to replace it. Alright, so the thing that I would like to talk about is my current iPhone, which is an iPhone 11. I've had it for a very long time. My parents got it for me as a graduation gift, and it's been 4 or 5 years. To be honest, I don't really know. But it is a pretty old phone, and I use it every single day. I keep it in my pocket, I keep it in my hand, I take it everywhere I go. I'm frankly addicted to my phone. I use it to watch videos, I use it to talk to my friends and family members, and most importantly, I use it for work. I use it to record and edit videos, and I use it to store a lot of my work-related documents. So I feel like this phone is quite important to me, and that's probably one of the reasons why I still haven't get around to, really replace it. I don't want to make the move, if that makes sense. However, I do think that in the future, I do have to replace it because, first of all, it is not running very smoothly anymore. Sometimes it would get super laggy, and there were a couple of incidents where I was editing my videos and the phone completely froze and I lost all my progress, and it was super frustrating. And nowadays, I don't even bother to use it to play any games because the phone just can't handle it anymore. So yeah, it is making my life kind of miserable for no reason. And I guess another reason why I want to replace it is that I can replace it now. I mean, I've been working for 4 to 5 years at this point, and I have built up like a saving. So if I were to buy a new phone, it's not gonna make a big dent in my finance. And to be honest, I feel like newer phones nowadays are really not that expensive, especially if I'm not buying like the newest or the fanciest phones. So yeah, I think I'm able to afford it. So I think that in the future, if I actually get around to do it, I would definitely buy a new phone and replace this old one. And I think it would make my life a lot easier. So yeah.